Warehouse Spring Rally 2026. We're starting here. We got a little bit of winter. Some of my favorite driving roads in all of Utah. Red Rock tunnels, Red Rock overlooks, just crazy twists and turns. We hit the Grand Canyon. We're gonna go to Las Vegas, the Carbone and the Bellagio. Should be fun. Warehouse 1000 2026, let's go. Yeah, so day one kicked off when all 26 cars met here at Warehouse. We went up this awesome road.
That was amazing.
Skyline type views on mountain ridges. I mean, third gear, corner to corner to corner for 30 plus minutes. But just such a memorable experience to be able to drive those roads with 30 of our best friends.
That's my hair.
Perfect. Beautiful. It's not good to have him around here.
I'm not gonna say anything.
All right, so we're back from the Warehouse Spring Rally 1000. It was really a great event. It brought back a lot of memories. Over 20 years ago, we did almost this exact same route. It was really fun to take the same car with my wife and do this with a great group of people.
Fred. I got a clapped out Honda Odyssey van. It's got about 245,000 miles on it. I wasn't invited on the rally. In fact, I don't even know what a rally is. I work, I got a job. I don't know, Jordan tells me it's great, but I got nothing. Most people wouldn't have like lives and shit. Like you're not like joining, you know, it's hard to be like a joiner. For decades I've avoided like, anytime people are like, hey, you wanna go on rides or you wanna go on a trip? I'm like, fuck no, not with you. But that's kind of like, we've talked about it. It's actually, you said your last 3 rallies have been tremendously fun. So it's funny, I've totally went 360.
Second day spring rally. We just hit Bryce Canyon this morning and then just this epic road into Arizona. We have this overlooking us. It's been a fun day too so far. So after that overlook view, we took some wide open roads out, Vermilion Cliffs just flanking as we headed into the Grand Canyon, which of course speaks for itself. So this rally, being that we're ending in Vegas, we had to do a classic poker rally. So 5 different stops, 5 different cards. Whoever has the best hand wins. So it should be really fun to see who takes this thing home. I thought day 1 was going to be the most incredible day of driving on this rally, but day 3 astounded me. Amazing roads, tight, twisty corners, all the way to rolling roller coaster type roads with saguaro cactuses on each side. It was absolutely nuts.
Like that?
I can't see much of the future unless we find out what's to blame. What a shame. And we won't be together much longer unless we realize to stay the same. Never fall in love with somebody, never fall in love with somebody.
So for any trips, I kind of have sort of this formula. It's who you're with is the most important thing. And Warehouse and all the members definitely check that box. Then it's how you do it. Over the years, I've been fortunate enough to do, I think that's my 3rd or 4th, and every single time it gets better. So we started with a really high bar and just somehow keep improving upon it. And then the 3rd factor is actually the least important, and that's what you're doing. One of my favorite things about the rally was definitely our partnership with Bucher Time Dome in Las Vegas. I think the total haul was about 14 watches.
This sums it up right here.
It's really exciting to see how excited the warehouse members were to get watches that otherwise would have taken them, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, or 5 years.
Winner of the poker rally is amongst these tables. Going to get this beautiful watch right here. Robert Hochstein. What? Yeah!